For a cheaper spa experience, do this before booking your cruise spa day.
Have you wanted to book a spa day on your cruise, but you feel like it might be just a little too expensive? Hi everyone, I'm Tiffany Perry with TP's Travels. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thanks for joining me today. In this video, I'm going to share with you 4 tips on how you can get a cheaper spa day on your cruise and a controversial tip. Let's get started.
Tip number 1, book early. Booking early is one of the easiest ways to get a cheaper spa experience. Now, when I say book early, I don't mean book on the internet right before you get on the cruise and have it all set to go. That's easy and that's great, but oftentimes that's going to give you a more expensive rate. Oftentimes you're paying the higher rate and you're not going to get any of the special rates or deals. So what I mean by booking early, I mean the very first day before you even set sail. Oftentimes the cruise ships will have different rates and special events that they are offering before you even set sail. Sometimes they're giving away door prizes and different raffles that you can enter to maybe win a free spa day. Now, that doesn't mean if you want to take a risk there to book late and you'll get a special rate. I was on the Carnival celebration not too long ago and we were in the Caribbean and I decided on the last day, hey, why not? Let me see what they have available. I got a rate really cheap. So that is something that you could try as well.
Tip number 2, look for special rates. On Carnival cruise ship, they are always offering different events and special rates every day. Just go to one of their events and you will definitely find a cheaper rate than if you were to go to their desk and book it. For instance, not too long ago on the Carnival Luminosa, I booked a bamboo massage for $229 for 75 minutes. I went to one of their events that day, and just for going to that event and listening to them, they offered me the same massage for $50 off. Also, take a look at the thermal day pass. Thermal day pass is going to be a lot cheaper than if you were to book a massage for an hour, and then you get that for the entire day. So just kind of weigh out your options there to see what it is that you're wanting to take advantage of. So definitely take advantage of that. If it's just some of the things there that you just want to just relax and enjoy for the day instead of having a massage, that could be a cheaper way for you to be able to enjoy the spa area.
Tip number 3, take advantage of port days. Oftentimes, those are the slowest days, and spas are typically looking to fill those days up. So, when they're looking to fill those days up, typically they might offer different special rates just for those days. That is perfect if you're going somewhere where you plan on staying on the cruise ship anyway while everybody's getting off, because typically the spas are a lot slower and it is easier to get in those days. And you just might be able to get a special rate while you're there. Tip number 4, book a package. If you are looking to book multiple spa treatments, then booking a package could definitely save you money. Oftentimes, they will offer 10% off the first treatment, 20% off the second treatment, and then so forth. Carnival Cruise Line is big on having spa packages. I'll tell you about this in several of their events. So definitely take a look at some of their spa packages. That could save you a lot of money overall if you are already just thinking about having multiple types of spa treatments. Go to tip number 5, which may be controversial. I want to talk about this video here, how I saved thousands of dollars on my cruises. Recently, we were on a 5-week back-to-back Alaskan cruise on the Carnival Luminosa. Sometimes you will get emails and Carnival will ask if you want to upgrade. We got asked if we wanted to upgrade to a Cloud 9 room while we were on our Alaskan cruise, and we weren't quite sure what that was, so we said no. Luckily, we didn't realize that one of our offers for the last week, the 5th week, was a Cloud 9 room. And let me tell you, if you are wanting to do anything with the spa and you get the opportunity to book a Cloud 9 room or to upgrade to a Cloud 9 room, take it. You get to save so much money. First, you get priority booking when you are booking any kind of a spa treatment. Plus, you get the thermal day spa for free for the entire week that you're there. for not only you, but the person in the room with you. So that saves a lot of money right there. So you get, both of you can get the thermal package for free for the whole week. Plus the spa has a gift that they will give you, and you get a spa robe and just all the different little amenities to really make you feel like a spa week. So it's definitely worth the upgrade, or to be able to book it if you see a Cloud9 room available. If you are a spa person, book a Cloud9 room.
Now, tip number 5, this may be controversial. I've never done this before. I've heard of people who have done this, and I've heard of people who say, don't do this. This is not something you should do.
And that is negotiating your price. Like I said, I have never negotiated my price. I've heard of people doing this, and some say that they have gotten lower prices. Some say it didn't work, but I've also heard of people saying, don't do this. This is not something you should do. From what I've heard, some cruise ships will allow you to negotiate the price when you go to their spa desk, and you can talk about bargaining for a better price on some of the spa packages. But some cruise ships don't allow that at all. So, like I said, I've never tried this before. This is one that's kind of up in the air, that some people like, some people don't like. If you've done this before, leave me a comment. I would love to hear, what cruise ship you were on, and did it work for you? Did it not work for you? I hope these tips were helpful for you and maybe inspired you to book a spa day on your upcoming cruise. If you've booked a spa day and have tried any of these tips I've discussed today, leave me a comment. Let me know what you've done and what cruise ship you've done it on. I would love to hear. Also, if you would like to see my spa day at sea, check out this video here. Bye for now.